Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to Luna 2.0 update, and Luna family is just on fire. Everything is pretty insane right now. Luna Classic seems to be taking a break, and when Luna Classic is taking a break, it seems like Luna itself is about to make some moves to the upside, and it's pretty incredible. Now I have been unlucky a little bit with this trade here and there, but it seems like there's a technical target coming in for Luna up at $12. So yeah, I've actually tried to trade it some few times to get an entry, but it actually takes some of my stop losses. But anyway, the reason why it's gonna go up there is because when you are making the move to the upside just like this, you push to the moon like that on a 15 minutes time frame, and you ended up making that bull flag. Do you see that? That's the bull flag, and it's important to understand that you don't want to see Luna coming down and take $4. Okay, so if it does come down to take $4, I reckon that you're not going to move up there, but it seems at the moment that you're really looking to actually fly, and from there to there you can see that this is a technical target to go where to go to $12 just right there. So I do believe it's trying to do that at the moment, so there's nothing wrong with it. And it pretty much looks like you do have a left shoulder, big head here, and the right shoulder as well, and it's time to basically move up. I do think there's still another buying opportunity, maybe with a stop loss down at nearly 5.5702. If it does come to 5.57, then I think it's going to be a failure of this right shoulder. And at the moment, there are chances that it actually starts to push to the upside once again to that price target right now. So it's an amazing buying opportunity in my opinion. If you ask me, if you really need a very tight stop loss at the moment, then it's going to be something like this. Maybe put a stop loss down here, and that can actually be like a 2% risk here, but you're looking for a very big reward, and that's not a very big risk if you ask me. Okay, 2% is nothing, guys. It's not a very big of a deal if you lose 2%. So from here, look at the reward, look at the potential reward. That's like a double of your money right there. So that's pretty much it for this Luna update. You don't want to lose 4.40 on a higher time frame, and on a lower time frame scale, if you go below 5.5, you're going to be looking to drop even way more lower back to this level to 4.8. And that's pretty much it for the update on Luna. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.